This is part of the Liskeard Together project, and you can join us from the comfort of your own home with our online cooking sessions. All ingredients you will need are provided and delivered to your door every week for 6 weeks. These sessions are currently available for people in the PL14 area, currently not in paid employment. For more information, please contact ECCABI on 015 793 43693. Today we've got Andrew in from the local greengrocers, Beddoes, and he's going to come in and cook his favourite family recipe, which is his version, and it looks like it's going to be very nice, of an omelette. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, I'm Louise, and welcome to the Tiny Kitchen.
Thank you.
Yeah. Would you like to give us a little talk through of what you're doing today?
Yeah, it's just going to be a very simple sort of vegetable omelette. But I tend to just use anything and everything that's left over in the fridge. It just saves on any sort of waste, and it's a good way of using stuff up that you may end up throwing away.
Yeah. Am I right in thinking that this was a bit of a family thing that you used to do every Monday to use up all the things left over from the weekend?
Yeah, it was something I always did on most Mondays, like to the horror of my children, because they never really enjoyed it until they actually ate it, and they always loved it. Then once it was cooked, it was put in front of them, they always really liked it, but I think they just enjoyed moaning about it.
And the ingredients today you brought in, are they from your shop?
Yeah, all the ingredients today are from the shop, apart from the bacon, which is just bought in the town from the local butchers. Everything else it was originally from the shop. Yeah.
Oh, brilliant! Wow. Well, let's hope it goes well. And
yeah, let's hope so. Fingers crossed. Here's some of the ingredients that I've got from the shop today, which I'm going to use in my cooking. So the first thing I'm going to do now is to grill the bacon, because obviously that takes a little bit longer to do than the rest of the meal. So if I grill that, and I can just put that to one side once it's cooked. That's warming up. So while the bacon's cooking, I'll just prepare the veg ready to go into the frying pan. Beautiful. So next, I'm going to crack these eggs, which are from the shop, which are all produced just 3 miles from Liskeard. So just crack those in there. Yeah. Now I'm going to beat the eggs up. Yeah. I'm going to put just a little bit of milk, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of pepper, just to season it all up a bit. A little bit of salt. And then just a little bit more. So the bacon's now ready to come out of the grill, so I'm just going to take that out a minute, just to leave to one side. So now the hops has just gone on. I'm just going to put a little bit of knob of butter in there just to melt, and now I'm going to put the veg in. I'm just going to wait for that to melt. So now the butter's melted, I'm just going to put the veg in. Yeah. So the veg is in the frying pan. It's probably best to cook it very slowly, so rather than frying it, just let it cook and go just nice and soft. So now all the veg is gone nice and soft. Time to put the eggs in. I'm just going to move the veg around, move the eggs so the eggs slowly move to the edge of the frying pan, so it'll cook more evenly, and you won't end up with just one big lump of pepper or mushroom. So just spread it out, let the eggs go in the gaps, move that away from the edge a bit, just fill it all in there. Beautiful. Cook it on quite a slow heat, just so that it can cook slowly without burning. So now the omelette is pretty much cooked on underneath. I'm now going to put some cheese on the top. Again, just spread it out evenly. So now the cheese is on. I'm now going to add the tomatoes. Beautiful. So the omelette is now pretty much cooked underneath. So just for a couple of minutes, it'll now go under the grill. Here we go. So the omelette is now under the grill. Probably best not for it to be too hot under there. Sort of a medium heat. Just let the cheese melt in amongst the omelette and the veg. While that's just finishing off under the grill, I'll just chop up a little bit of parsley, just a bit on top when it's all done. So the omelette is pretty much cooked now, so all I'm going to do is just take it out, and then I'm going to put some bacon on the top. Okay, so the bacon's now on top of the omelette. Only needs just a couple of minutes. I quite like to do that because then some of the juices from the bacon will then just go into the omelette. Well, I think the omelette's now ready to come out of the from under the grill. I'll just put it on the table and just put some parsley on it. So. There. Done.
Oh, this looks and smells absolutely amazing. Andy, who's on the cameras, I know his nose is twitching and he would really like a portion if that's okay.
Yeah, I'll get some actually.
Thank you.
Ideal. Let's have a look.
It's a complete meal in one, isn't it?
So hopefully I can cut it so it comes out fairly straight. Yeah, all the ingredients there that I've used today for the omelette are from Beddoes fruit and veg shop in Liskeard. Obviously, apart from the bacon, which was then from Warren's Butchers. Beddoes has been in Liskeard for nigh on 60 years now. That was then taken over by Continental Fruits in Liskeard, who are doing a pretty fantastic job at the minute. And I'm sort of just managing the shop now, so it's all good. Thank you very much.
We are also offering short online courses that can help you prepare for the changes in the pipeline with Universal Credit, involving saving money and living on a budget, leading on to writing your CV, and help with online job searching skills. These we hope will help you be ready for these changes.